Hi Bill, now that we've delved into the intricacies of credit notes, I'm curious about the workings of debit notes within Salesforce Billing. Could you shed some light on that?
Absolutely, Ethan. Debit notes in Salesforce Billing serve as the counterpoint to credit notes, and they come into play when there's a necessity to make an adjustment or rectify a customer's account balance in a manner that results in an increase in the amount owed.
I see. So, how does the process of creating a debit note work in Salesforce Billing?
When you create a debit note, you're essentially associating it with a specific customer account. This linkage ensures that the adjustment is precisely recorded against the intended account.
I see. What about the particulars of the items or charges enclosed within a debit note?
Each line item within a debit note is intrinsically connected to a specific product or service. Moreover, there's an option to associate each line with a designated legal entity. This granular association ensures meticulous bookkeeping and accurate adjustment tracking. Similar to credit notes, if you don't specify a date for the debit note line, it will automatically inherit the date from the debit note. This ensures that the timing of the adjustment is accurately reflected.
That's important to note. And how about applying taxes to debit notes? Is the process similar to what we discussed regarding credit notes?
Absolutely. The process closely resembles applying taxes to credit notes. Tax calculations or estimations can be factored into debit note lines by leveraging the predefined tax rules and treatments associated with those lines.
Thanks for clarifying that. So, in summary, debit notes in Salesforce Billing are geared towards augmenting owed amounts through account adjustments. Each line within a debit note is intricately linked to a product or service, and optionally a legal entity. If a date isn't specified for a line, it borrows from the debit note's date. Did I capture the essence accurately?
You nailed it, Ethan.
Thank you, Bill, for explaining debit notes so clearly. It's fascinating how they mirror some aspects of credit notes but serve a distinct purpose in adjusting account balances. I can see how this level of detail and precision is crucial in maintaining accurate financial records and ensuring transparency in customer transactions.
Absolutely, Ethan. The ability to precisely track adjustments in both directions, whether it's reducing the amount owed with credit notes or increasing it with debit notes, contributes to the overall financial health of the organization. It's about maintaining fairness and accuracy in billing processes.
I couldn't agree more, Bill. And I imagine this level of sophistication in Salesforce Billing streamlines the entire billing process, reduces errors, and ultimately strengthens customer relationships through transparent and accurate financial interactions.
Precisely, Ethan. When customers can trust the accuracy of their invoices and adjustments, it enhances their confidence in the business. Plus, having a well-organized system to handle these intricacies allows the finance team to work more efficiently, minimizing the chances of discrepancies.
It's truly remarkable how technology has transformed financial processes, and Salesforce Billing seems to be at the forefront of this transformation. I appreciate your insights, Bill. Our discussions always shed light on the intricacies that make business operations more efficient and customer-centric.
Thank you, Ethan. It's always a pleasure to dive into these topics with you. The world of finance and technology is ever evolving, and understanding these details can indeed make a significant difference in how organizations manage their operations and customer relationships.
Absolutely, Bill. I'm looking forward to our next discussion, where we can explore even more facets of this dynamic landscape. Until then, take care.
You too, Ethan. Take care, and keep up the curiosity-driven exploration. Looking forward to our next enlightening conversation.